today I'm going to discuss PMI Removal Calculator. So stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'll share a list of tips and tricks when using PMI Removal Calculator. I'm Kristin Stampini and welcome to StampTV. So let's get started. When does PMI go away? Most banks will automatically remove PMI when the loan balance has reached 78 to 80% of the value of the original purchase price. In other words, if someone buys a house for $100,000 and puts $10,000 down, giving you 90% mortgage, once the mortgage is paid down to $80,000, the bank will automatically remove your PMI. For FHA loans, that number is usually 78%, and every bank is a little bit different. So you can also get started removing your PMI by proving to your bank that your home has appreciated enough to bring your LTV, loan to value ratio, down to the 80%. In the same example as above, if your $100,000 house appreciates to $120,000, then your $90,000 mortgage is less than 80% of the home value. But you have to get an appraisal to prove the appreciation of your home. Maybe this is obvious, but you can also refinance if you have built up enough equity so that your refinance loan will be over a 20% LTV. Okay, loan to value ratio. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this unless you also want to take cash out for other investments, maybe to buy more properties, or you can get lower interest rate. If you do refinance, basically, we also can point you in the right direction on people that can help you. Refinancing, it can take 4 to 6 weeks to refinance. And also it might take 4 to 6 years to remove your PMI. So that's one of the options. Your down payment was lower than 10% since the home values have gone up so much recently, then you can remove it much faster. So it really depends on everybody's situation is different. The option 2, which basically you have is, how did I know that I could start getting rid of PMI? In some people's cases, they knew they would have to get an appraisal. So the moment they recommend their property, thereby adding value to the home, they started the PMI removal process. By contacting the lender, then they are usually pointed to an approved appraiser who valued the home at just over the number they needed to meet the 80% loan to value and have their PMI removed. Okay, so you can track your home's value and the rest of your finances for free, okay, with different types of apps. So simply just sign up for an app and you can do that with a lender app. So that's really how to get rid of your PMI. And I hope that you liked these simple little tips for you to start working on getting rid of PMI. I'm Kristin Stampini with StampTV. Hope you enjoyed it today. Reach out to us and we'd be happy to help you. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the icon, like it. We provide videos to you every single Tuesday for your move-up seller and buyers. Thanks, everybody, and have a great day. Bye.